Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning everyone. I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. The story of our freedom struggle is very big and cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. On 15th August 1947, India became independent after many agitations and battles. Due to the brave warriors of our country, we have become independent today. And today we celebrate this day to pay tribute to those brave warriors of our country. Independence Day is one of the national festivals of India. Friends, as we know that August 15th is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On 15th August 1947, all our freedom fighters and revolutionaries freed our country from the British Empire by putting their lives at stake, so we celebrate this. Historically, in his memory and honor, because on this day we got freedom from British rule, which is incomparable. The most important contribution to the independence of our country has been made by Mahatma Gandhi, who forced him to live India by using weapons like truth and non-violence against British rule. There were many other freedom fighters like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Mazharul Haq, Maulana Shah Waliullah Dehlavi, Maulana Mahmud Hassan Deobandi, Asif Ali, Abbas Ali and many others who contributed to the independence of India and liberated the country from British slavery. On this occasion of Independence Day, while we are discussing the new dimensions of the progress of the country, we should never forget the scene of the slavery, where our great freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for freedom. Due to the shortage of time, I would like to stop my speech.